I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 6th of April. Summer-like warmth again today, but after today, temperatures trend downward. The big change will come on Thursday with a cold front coming in. Let's look out the window, and you really can't see it from our Skycam images here, but the sky almost has a yellow-green tint to it today, and that is pine pollen. It is thick out there. But other than that, it's a beautiful day. Sunny and warm, temperatures up in the 80s. There's a look at the Prattville Skycam down in Watauga County, looking back over toward downtown Montgomery. And they've got the same issue down there. It's not really haze, it's pollen that you're seeing. And up in the Great Tennessee Valley, Skycam indicator wouldn't be a bad day to be at the park with your kids enjoying this summer-like warmth. Water vapor satellite shot, big cold trough out west. And that's going to bring some changes in here later this week, but ridging is firmly dominant today. Temperatures you can see only in the teens and 20s underneath the cold trough out west, but 80s are pretty rampant across the deep south. Look at some 90s over there in the Carolinas, Virginia. Goodness. Here's a look at our numbers at 2 o'clock. Birmingham at 85, Anniston and Alexander City 86. Not quite as warm as yesterday, but still way above the average high of 72. Here's a look at the current watch warning map. Wind advisories across the southern plains, some winter weather advisories for the mountains out west, and this new severe thunderstorm watch just issued, in effect until 10 o'clock tonight for parts of Kansas and Missouri. That includes Topeka, Kansas City, and Wichita. But there's not a shower in the whole box right now, but that thing will probably light up like a Christmas tree later. There's the convective outlook for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. Got a risk of severe weather, the standard slight risk from near Lake Texoma up to Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Des Moines, Chicago, Milwaukee, Detroit, and all the way over to New York City. Tomorrow, the risk moves to the east, and that does include now the northwestern corner of Alabama for late tomorrow night. But that will be well after midnight. The risk runs from Houston and Lake Charles up to Jackson, Memphis, Louisville, Indianapolis, Cincinnati. And on day 3, which is Thursday, there is no formal risk, just those low-end 5% probabilities for East Alabama in points north and east for the possibility of some active storms redeveloping during the afternoon over there, as you'll see in a moment. There's the QPF chart valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. Rainfall amounts of about 1/2 inch here, with heavier amounts just off to the east and west. And all of that will come on Thursday. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. The ridge moving out, the trough moving in down below that. Band of showers and storms stretching from near Chicago down to Little Rock and Tyler, Texas. We'll keep an eye on that. Thursday, everything progressive. The trough axis still to the west. Down below, the surface low is near Buffalo, New York, with a trailing front right down through Birmingham at 1 o'clock. And again, it just seems like the bulk of the showers and storms will come through at a time during the morning when the air is relatively stable. Let's check the high-resolution RPM. This is valid at 7 o'clock local time Thursday morning. There's your band of showers, and you can see very benign. No severe weather. In fact, rain probably not all that heavy. And we'll go to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Everything way to the southeast now. This run a little faster. The storm's redeveloping from south of Atlanta back up toward Asheville, North Carolina. But around here, everything's out of here by midday. So the RPM is suggesting the main window is going to be from midnight to noon. The GFS may be a little slower than that, but whatever. It looks like severe weather minimal, rain not all that heavy, and the rain mainly during the morning. There's a look at the instabilities coming off the GFS, valid at midday Thursday, 1 o'clock, and you can see the best instability about 500 joules well to the southeast of here. And the helicity, same thing, well to the southeast. So we're just not thinking severe weather is going to be a big issue on Thursday. Friday, everything's gone. The front well to the east. Now again, Friday morning and Saturday morning, it's going to be chilly. Lows down around 40, probably upper 30s for a lot of folks. And the colder valleys could get down there in the low and mid-30s, both Friday morning and Saturday morning. So growers, just be aware of that. I don't think it'll be a big, major, widespread damaging freeze, but some pockets could hit that 32-degree mark. Saturday starting off the weekend, beautiful day, sunny, will warm up into the 70s, and the same thing on Sunday. Just great weather. Next week, we stay dry. There's Monday. Tuesday, same deal. Big storm off to the west. But look at Wednesday of next week. The ridge holds, that 582 ridge, kind of suppressing everything off to the north of us. And down below that, we stay dry. So it is a very benign, severe weather season so far, and the weather looks fairly benign for the next 5 to 7 days. Into the forecast, nothing unique out there. Winds aloft are fairly light and variable. Stronger westerlies are up north, and again, that looks pretty quiet. So far, so good, but we got to get through May. You know, this is kind of getting into the middle of the season. We still got a long way to go. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you are local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. That's ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Weather.